What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Being the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, today we're giving you top penny stocks under $1. So if you're new to investing, there are stocks out there that you can get for under $1. They're affordable solutions, but bear in mind they are very risky. So this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these stocks. Just telling you what's out there in the market so that you will know and be more informed. Make sure you go do some more due diligence on some of these companies because stocks under $1 are very risky, but there are some gains still yet to be made with some potential growth. So let's jump to the first one. We have ticker sign AZRX. So AZRX is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is kind of stagnant where it currently is at, but moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. So on this chart, the lime green line is the VWAP 14, the red line is the moving average 10, and the yellow and purple line are the moving average 50 and 100. So just bear that in mind when looking at the charts moving forward. They did end the day at 63 cents, and then after hours kind of stayed at 63 cents. They will have to go back up and retest this 85-cent high. So they're they will have to retest that, but another level I'm going to be looking at for them is going to be the 76 cent level. So going to be looking at 76 cents for a potential new level for them, and then 85 cents. Next, we have ticker sign SNDL, and this is for sundial growers. It's a very popular one that a lot of people have in their portfolio or on their watch list. They are in the cannabis space, and this stock does fluctuate from time to time based on policies that come out. Price target going to be looking at for them is going to be 75 cents and 72 cents. That represents the moving average 50 and 100. They currently are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, but the VWAP is above moving average 10. So hopefully by the end of the week they can go retest the 75-cent level and the 72-cent level to continue or begin an upward bullish trend. So 72 and 75 cents are going to be our price targets for SNDL. Next, we have ticker sign ESGC. Now, they had a high of 77 cents. Overall, still bullish on the name, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. And this VWAP is above moving average 10. So positive on both of my indicators. 77 cents is going to be a nice target price to look at for them. They did end the day at 71 cents, but then went down to 67 cents. So down 3 cents in the after hours. So still going to be looking to see if they can retest that 77-cent level. And that is for ticker sign ESGC. Next, we have ticker sign ZOM for Zomedica, another popular one in the penny stock world. They did go up and try to test the moving average 100 around this 52-cent level, but could not quite break through that resistance. So they did fall back down to become bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is right at the moving average 10, so it is positive on that metric. They did have a little bit of rally after hours, going up to 46 cents, but a key target price for me is going to be around this 50-cent level. So, going to be looking to see if they can break through 50 cents to continue this bullish upward trend. So, if they break through this 46 cent, which they kind of ended the day at, I want to see a continuation of a bullish upward trend by testing this 50-cent level. Next, we have ticker sign GLG. Now, they did have a high of 93 cents, so they did shoot up there, but after that seemed to be kind of stagnant, oscillating sideways between around this 84-cent level as a high and 78 cents as a low. So, oscillating basically means that a stock's going to go up and down between a range, so that being the high and the low, the price that I said earlier. Going to be looking at 93 cents for a potential price target for them. So they did end at 82 cents today. So they did go down 3 cents in the after hours. So still going to be looking at 93 cents for GLG. Next, we have ticker sign NAKD. Also another popular one, lots of volume around this one on multiple days. They went up and it looks like they tried to retest the moving average 100 but could not quite get up there. They did end the day at 50 cents. Being bearish, moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. We can see VWAP is still above moving average 10, so hopefully there'll be some more momentum jumping into this one. Seems like volume tried to hold up with ticker sign NAKD. So going to be looking at 52 cents as a potential target price for them. Next, we have ticker sign TNXP. TNXP is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. We can see right here that 72 cents is a high for them. Going to be looking to see how they perform as the week continues on. Going to be looking at a 70-cent target price. If they can break through 70 cents, they're going to be looking at 72 cents for the next level on TNXP. Next one on the list, we have ticker sign SNGX. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. They hit a high of $1.11, so they have touched the dollar level. Going to be looking at 93 cents for a potential breakout level for them. It looks like they bottomed out around this 88-cent level where they ended the day, but going to be looking at 93 cents for a potential target price for them, which is the moving average 100 line. This is ticker sign SNGX. Next, we have ticker sign BIOL. They are bearish as well. This is for a company named BIOL. Looks like they had a bottom right here of 63 cents. Overall, still bearish though. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, but going to be looking to see if they can rally back up to retest this 68-cent level. So 68 cents seems to be where the moving average 10 and 100 has began to converge. So it's a nice price to look for a potential bullish outbreak. They did have a nice little rally after hours to end 65 at 65 cents. So going to be looking at 68 cents for them to retest. And lastly, on here we have ticker sign txmd. They are bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below the 50 and the 100. They did have a bottom at 71 cents. Looks like they're starting to begin to set up a nice little bullish run up. So TXMD going to be looking at a target price of 82 cents for them to potentially end strong, nearly 2 cents away. So going to be looking at 82 cents as a price target for them. So drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks do you think has the most potential out of this list. While you're down there, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm with the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.